Turkish military plane crashes in Georgia, killing all 20 on board. All 20 personnel aboard a Turkish military cargo plane were killed when the aircraft crashed in eastern Georgia, Turkey's defense minister confirmed on Wednesday. The C-130 transport aircraft had taken off from Ganja, Azerbaijan, and was flying toward Turkey when it went down in Georgia's Signagi municipality, near the Azerbaijani border, on Tuesday evening. Footage released by Georgian media captured the moment of impact, showing flames and debris scattered across farmland surrounded by hills. An accident investigation team from Turkey arrived early Wednesday to join Georgian authorities in determining the cause of the crash. According to Georgia's Civil Aviation Authority, the plane lost contact shortly after entering Georgian airspace, and no distress signal was transmitted before the crash. Dear listeners and viewers, this tragic incident highlights the risks faced by military personnel even in peacetime missions, and both nations have expressed deep sorrow and solidarity with the families of the victims. This is Radio Jive Pakistan Digital.